Hi, welcome to my cute tunes with chalk. So the first thing we're going to need is our marker, and let's begin. So as usual, I'm going to start with the eyes. So I'm going to draw a beautiful big round eye right here, and then right here I'm going to draw another one. Yeah, good. And next up I'm going to make a little line and a little line as well. Light reflection, like we always do. There we go, and we're going to color it in. Perfect. And now I just want to make this eye a bit rounder, so it's about the same size. Good. Now for the nose. We're going to draw a small little nose right between the eyes. There we go. And a beautiful big smile. Here we go. There's a beautiful smile. Great. And now we're going to draw the chin of our little girl. And we'll make the chin roughly about there. And then you're just going to go up like this. And then from this side, you're going to do the same thing and you're going to go up like that. That's perfect. And then I want to draw a little mark up here for the eyebrow. And another one here as well. There's the other eyebrow. That's absolutely perfect. And now I want to draw the hair. So I'm going to draw a little line down like this. Good. And again we're going to draw another line like so. You're with me? And another one. And now with this line you're going to take it all the way around to there. Perfect. And then from here I want you just to draw a little line down, and we're going to draw a little piece of the little girl's hair. There we go. And there's her hair. Beautiful. On this side you're going to make a little mark down like this. Good. And another one. And then take it all the way around to there. Perfect. And then here also just maybe something like this. A piece of her hair as well. That's absolutely perfect. Then what we're going to do, we're going to actually draw her hands first. So from here you're going to draw a little finger. Good. And another finger, and a small pinky. Perfect. And you're just going to make it round like that. Good. And on this side we do the same thing. So you're going to draw a little hand, a finger, another finger, and you're going to draw the hand like that. That's absolutely perfect. Beautiful. And now from here I want you to just draw a line up like this, and on this side another line up like that, and then in between we're going to connect it. And then I want you to actually draw just another line as well here. There we go. And it goes to the finger and it goes through, and there we go. And then up here you're going to draw this, and that would be a watermelon. Great. And there's a watermelon. Perfect. And we're going to draw some seeds in this watermelon. Good. Perfect. That's absolutely perfect. And then here I want you to draw a neck. There's our girl's neck. Okay, so let's begin. Let's continue. And now what I want you to do is actually from here I want you just to draw a little line up like so. Right, good. And then from this side I want you to do the same thing. You're going to start there and you're going to draw a line up like that as well. Perfect. And then up here I want you to actually draw a line like this. It's going to be a hat. Draw a line like this. Good. And then this side the same thing. Draw a line like this. You're going to let it touch there, and you're going to bring it around. And on this side, I want you to bring it around like that as well. And then right here, I want you to actually do a little line like so, because this is going to be a hat. You'll see how it will look when we finish with this. So there's a hat. Perfect. And then from here, I want you to actually draw and just connect the head like that. Good. That's absolutely perfect. And now I want you just to make a mark up here, because this is going to be the top of the hat right there. And now we are actually going to take it down. And here we're going to take it over as well, like so. And there's a hat. Perfect. Next up, I want you to draw the arm. So we're going to start here, and you're just going to draw a little mark like this. And you're going to bring it around like that. And on this side, we're going to do the same thing as well. Okay, there we go. And there's the arms. Perfect. And now for her body. You're going to bring a line down and a line down. Good, you're with me. And let's maybe make a little bit of a belt buckle. So there's a belt. Perfect. And you're just going to connect the belt like that. That's absolutely beautiful. Next up, let's draw the legs. She's going to sit. So we're going to draw the top of the leg here. And then on this side, we're going to draw another leg like this. And now let's draw the leg. So we're just going to bring it down like so. And on this side, we're going to bring it down like that. And here, the same thing. Good. And there, like that as well. Perfect. And there's a knee. So you can just make a little mark like this and another mark like that. Perfect. And now for a dress. So just make a line like this. And first of all, what we're going to do, we're going to draw a stump, what she sits on. An old tree stump. Good. And on this side, same height, you're going to bring the stump out. And you're going to draw something like that. Perfect. Then from here, you're going to just draw something like this. And here you're going to do the same thing as well. There we go. We'll finish up with that now. So next up, let's draw the feet. So there we go. There's one foot. And there's the other foot. And we can actually, you can just draw something like this. And here as well. We'll make some funny sort of a shoe. There we go. A little lip for the shoe. And we can actually just make a few lines like that. Perfect. And we just tie it up. There we go. And there's the shoes. Now from here, we should actually make a dress. So you can actually just draw a line like this. Good. And like this. And then from here, you're going to draw another line like so. And then from here, maybe something like this. There we go. And there's a dress. And we can actually just make a little mark like this and another mark like that. There we go. And there's a dress. And there's our little summer girl. Now I want us to quickly draw some grass here. So we can actually see where the ground is. Yeah, perfect. And you can just make it zigzag lines as you want. just quick zigzag lines, and there she is. And then maybe let's make it a polka dot dress with lots of polka dots everywhere. Yeah, and there as well, because remember this is one dress. There we go. And there's a little polka dot dress. And then let's finish up with her hair. So let's maybe draw some hair that goes down like this, and this side as well, there, and it goes down like that. And there we go. And then last but not least, let's put some lines on her beautiful little summer's hat as well. There we go. Perfect. And on this side, there we go. Good. And there we go. And there's our little girl with her beautiful summer's dress. Let's color in. And there we go. There's our beautiful little summer's girl. It was a pleasure drawing with you. If you like drawing with me, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you again.